Alright, good day everyone. This is Mrs. Okpe. It's a beautiful day. Trust your night was great. Wow. Today's subject is science, and the topic that we'll be looking at under it is plants. Children, what did I say? Plants. Everybody say that? Plant. Very good. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing that grows on the earth. I take that definition again. A plant is a living thing that grows on the earth. Very good. They grow on the earth and they are living things. Yes, they are everywhere. They are what? They are everywhere. Examples of plants are grass, trees, bushes, forests, vegetable, and so on and so forth. Yes, I will go back to the definition. Now, take a look at this word. Living thing. You can see I've underlined it. Living thing. What are living things? Living things are things that are alive, that can breathe. Are you listening, children? Things that are alive, like you and I, like plants, like animals. They are what? They are referred to as living thing. Plant is also what? A living thing. Very good. Let's move to the next one. Now, these are the characteristics of living things. That is, these are the things that they put up for you to be able to identify a living thing. They have all these characters. Now, living things eat. That is nutrition. Living things what? Eat. The same thing to you. I know you love to eat food. Yes, living things do what? They do eat. They breathe in and breathe out. Yes, for you to identify something as a living thing, that means that thing is used to breathe in and used to breathe out. And we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And the other characteristics is what? They grow. Growth occurs in all living things, like plants too. A small plant will gradually grow to a bigger tree. Are you listening, children? The same way to human beings, animals too. They grow from the small size to a bigger size. And another characteristic of living things is what? Is what they reproduce. They reproduce. That is, they give birth to their young ones. Very good, children. The same way to all these plants and all that, they reproduce by giving birth to fruits, seeds, and all the rest. Is that okay, children? Yes. Let's move on to the next one. Wow. Part of a plant. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Children, let's sing. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. As you have a part of the body, like your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and so on and so forth. So plants also, they have their own parts too. Now, let's take the parts one after the other. A part of a plant. Number one is what? The flower. You can see the yellowish flower. Is beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Let's move to the next one. The next one is the stem. The stem serves as a passage where the nutrients or water passes through to other branches of the tree. Now, let's move to the next one. The next one by your right is the leaf. Very good. And what color is the leaf? Green. Green is my color, nature color. Now, the next one is fruit. Fruit. I love to eat fruit. I love to eat fruit. And the last one, which is the roots. Very good. The root is what? Is the what? The solid part. Is the one that is holding the soil and the plant together so that they will be firm and strong to weather all kinds of storm. Is that okay, children? Very good. Let's move to the next one. The next one is what? Plants need the following to grow. Yes, they all need the following to what? To grow. Likewise, human being, we all need these things to do what? To grow. Now, number one thing that plants need to grow is what? Water. Number 2 is what? Sunlight. Mr. Sun, 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 Mr. Golden Sun. Now the next one is what? The air. The air we breathe in and breathe out. So they breathe out oxygen and they breathe in what? Carbon dioxide. Then the last one there is what? Soil need. Then plants need soil. Very good. They need soil to do what? To grow. Very good. Okay, now let's go to the next one now. Part of a plant and things that they help it grow. Things that help it grow. We have mentioned it earlier. You can see the sun there. It needs water, soil, and air. Very good. Not only plants, I said it earlier, that not only plant that needs all these things to grow. As we human beings, you can see a boy and a girl. They need all these things to grow. Very good. Uses of plants. What are the uses of plants? There are many uses of plants. They provide the following for us. Yes, as food source. Yes, it serves as source of what? Food. That is, with some of us, we do used to eat vegetables. Yes, it's also what? The uses of plants is what? Food. It serves as what? Food. It also serves as what? Medicine. That is, they use some of these plants to do what? To prepare medicine. Are you listening, children? Very good. And the next one is what? Clothing. Yes, some of these plants, they get cotton from these plants and they use it to do what? To produce clothes. Number 4, uses of plants is what? Decoration. Yes, flowers that you see around your house is for decoration, to decorate your living room, to decorate your house, to make it look beautiful. Very good. And the last one is what? The uses of plants is what? Oxygen. Everybody say oxygen. Oxygen. Yes, by the time these plants that we are talking about, they breathe out oxygen, we human beings inhale oxygen. That is why it is always recommended from the people that we should always make use of planting.